Welcome to Bridges at 11th, your homely abode in exciting Seattle where comfort, convenience, and community blend together perfectly. Choose from spacious studios or charming 1 to 3 bedroom apartments, featuring hardwood-style flooring and full-sized kitchen featuring ovens, microwave, and ice makers. From walk-in closets that fit all your belongings and energy-efficient heating systems, to triple glass sliding doors that bring in abundant light, and dishwashers, your comfort is the main agenda. Hit your goals at any time at the 24-hour fitness center equipped with cardio machines and free weights. Experience joys of environmental living with recycling and compost areas. There's also a bike repair area and limited access community parking for your wheels. Enjoy weekends with quality time with friends at the rooftop courtyard and fire up the grill and devour yummy barbecue. Located at 11th Avenue NE, getting to campus is quick with the University of Washington and Seattle Pacific University are just a short drive away. With 11th Avenue Northeast and Northeast 45th Street bus stop, traveling will be easy. So, grab your spot at Bridges at 11th, Seattle now with amberstudent.com.